हेलो। ओके हॅलो. आवाज येतोय का? अरे सांगा, आवाज येतोय का?
येस सर.
ओके, कॅन आय स्टार्ट करू का मग मी?
येस सर.
ओके. Let's start with carbon and an important element. Carbon is an important element. लैपटॉप तो कभी Carbon is an important element. Look, carbon. Atomic number 6, atomic mass number is 12. Carbon. Carbon and its compound. Carbon is a very important element for our studying. Carbon compound. What is in the carbon and carbon chemistry, organic chemistry, particularly carbon chemistry, or we can say organic chemistry. Carbon, its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. So we have to condensed state electronic configuration. So here the electron, two electron is there, two unpaired electron here, two unpaired electron is there. So these two unpaired electron, one of them get excited, and now how many electron it has for available for bonding? Four unpaired electron. Four unpaired electron available for bonding. In carbon atom, there is a four unpaired electron available for bonding. बॉन्डिंग के लिए चार इलेक्ट्रॉन अवेलेबल है. फोर इलेक्ट्रॉन इज अवेलेबल फॉर बॉन्डिंग. बॉन्डिंग के लिए चार इलेक्ट्रॉन अवेलेबल है फॉर कार्बन एटम. So carbon is a very important element and its valency is 4. Its valency is 4. Means it has 4 combining property. 4 combining property. Combining property. How the carbon are combined with other elements. So particularly we define the organic, earlier lecture we define the organic chemistry. In earlier lecture we define organic chemistry. Organic means organo, made from living things or obtained from, or organic, obtained from living things. Organic means obtained from living things. So generally carbon and their compounds, carbon having unique property. Unique means in the sense carbon has a capacity to combine with
to form 4 bond with other elements. 4 bond. Why a carbon can form a 4 bond? Because of carbon has capacity. Its capacity. It's the available electron to bond with other elements. उसके पास जो electron available है 4 electron. This 4 electron can available for bonding, or you can denote the electron like this. The carbon atom, this carbon atom and its electron, 4 electron available for its valence shell में 4 electrons है. Outer shell, valence shell में 4 electron is available for bonding. So that's why its valency is 4. That's why its valency is 4. Okay. So how the carbon's valency comes? So look, carbon can combine with other element. Carbon is an important element. So how carbon are combined with other elements? Look here. So carbon in the formation of CH4, name is methane. What is the name? Methane. So in the methane, how many carbon atom? 1 carbon atom. And how many hydrogen atom? 4 hydrogen atom. In the methane, formation of methane, 4 hydrogen atom and 1 carbon atom to form a methane molecules. This methane molecule are having property. This methane molecule. So carbon, look here how methane molecule are formed. So this carbon having available electron is 4 available electron called valence shell electron. 4 electron. This cross indicate the electron of carbon, and with combined with 4 hydrogen. So this another color is indicate this is the hydrogen atom. And how many electron hydrogen atom? 1 electron. So 1 hydrogen, 1 electron. How many hydrogen you have? 4 hydrogen. Then you have to formation of methane. How methane molecules are formed? This carbon and it having 1, 2, 3, 4 hydrogen. So this hydrogen. So this hydrogen. So this hydrogen. So look here. This one. This one. Here one. Here one. Look here. Carbon, hydrogen, carbon, hydrogen. So there is a 4 bond or Lewis. You can write like this. Lewis dash structure. This hydrogen, carbon. Hydrogen, carbon. Hydrogen, carbon. This one is a tetrahedral structure. Tetrahedral structure. Carbon, hydrogen. Carbon can bonded with 4 hydrogen atom and to form methane molecule. That means carbon has unique capacity to combine and to form
हेलो, मैं आई एम ऑडिएबल? यस प्लीज, चलो
Yes,
बताओ। आई
yes,
एम
sir.
ऑडिएबल?
Yes, sir.
चलो देखो, हमने पिछली बार जो है क्या है ना, हमने कार्बन के बारे में थोड़ा बताया था। मैंने ये भी बताया था कि इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन कैसे निकालते हैं हम, हाउ टू ड्रॉ द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन। सो ये सब बातें हमने पहले डिस्कस की है। और अगर आपको फिर भी इसमें जो कार्बन जो है, कार्बन के बारे में हमने थोड़ा सा आपको थोड़ा सा इंट्रोडक्शन भी दिया था मैंने कि कार्बन पीरियोडिक टेबल में क्या है, कार्बन की क्या प्रॉपर्टी है, कार्बन कैसा बॉन्ड बनाएगा, कार्बन के साथ क्या क्या होगा, ये सब हम जनरली यू हैव लर्न इन एट्थ, आप इस नाइन्थ में पढ़े, आप कार्बन के कंपाउंड पर्टिकुलरली आप नाइन्थ में पढ़े, तो फिर इसमें कुछ नया कुछ नहीं है, देयर इज नो न्यू वन, नथिंग इज न्यू, बिकॉज वट एवर यू लर्न इन योर नाइन्थ स्टैंडर्ड आई विल रिपीट ओनली दैट कंसेप्ट। मैं सिर्फ आपको नाइन्थ के जो कंसेप्ट है वही कंसेप्ट में आपको रिपीट कर रहा हूं। अगर आपको कोई डाउट है, फिर भी आपको ऐसा लगता है कि मुझे कुछ कुछ नहीं, कुछ ये कुछ और ज्यादा कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, अगर आपके समझ में नहीं आता, ऐसा आपको लगता है कुछ डाउट है, कुछ 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 मैंने लिख दिया और वो कहाँ से आया, ये भी अगर आपको लगता है तो प्लीज आप कमेंट बॉक्स में आप मुझे बोल सकते हो। डोंट वो ऐसा सोचो मत कि हम कैसे बोल रहे, प्लीज आप मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में आप कमेंट कर दो कि सर ये बात मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रही, और ये कैसा लिया, ये मुझे कुछ कुछ आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज दिस, ये क्या है और कैसा आया। अगर ये आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो आप मुझे प्लीज कमेंट बॉक्स में आप मुझे बता दीजिएगा प्लीज। मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है आप लोगों से कि अगर आपको कुछ डाउट है, कुछ देखो, अगर आपको एग्जाम देनी, जो एसबीआई की जो एग्जाम है वहां पे आपको एक कंसेप्ट नहीं, कंसेप्ट से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन है। मैंने पहले भी कहा है कि ये एसबीआई की एग्जाम जो है वो आपको कंसेप्ट के ऊपर, कंसेप्चुअल ज्यादा है रेदर देन रट्टा। वो आप उसको याद कर लोगे ऐसा नहीं चलेगा। सो यू मस्ट बी अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज द कंसेप्ट एंड हाउ कंसेप्ट केम फ्रॉम। ओके, सो अगर आपको कोई डाउट है, कुछ कहीं आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, तो प्लीज मुझे माइक ऑन करके मुझे पूछे, मुझे बताए, मैं आपको रिपीट कर दूंगा, वहां से मैं फिर से एक बार रिपीट करूंगा। ओके, सो अगेन आई टोल्ड, आई सजेस्ट यू, अगर आपको कुछ डाउट है तो प्लीज मुझे बताएं। So, here it is the carbon. Carbon is a very important element, and you learn in 8th standard and 9th standard. 9th standard में आपने ये पढ़ा है कि कार्बन is a very
हेलो सर।
important compound. Why carbon? Carbon and its compound. You make a headline like a organic chemistry. So what is meant by that organic chemistry? Organic compound. What is that? How organic compound is responsible to make proceed the life smoothly. Life is based on organic compound. Organic compound or organic molecule are play the very crucial role. Organic compound is organic compound can play very crucial role to perform a day-to-day function in your body, in plant body, in animal body, and virus, bacteria, all everywhere there is an organic molecule. So this organic molecule particularly are made from carbon and their compounds. So what is why carbon? Why not other elements? So look here, the carbon, these four elements like a carbon, then hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and sulfur. These four elements are essential elements. It is essential element for life to sustain the life. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur. These are very essential element to sustain the life. अगर organic compound है तो इन्हीं इन्हीं एलिमेंट से बना होगा, कार्बन, हाइड्रोजन, नाइट्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन एंड सल्फर. Sulfur is very less, but these four are very large amount. We have an amino acid, we have a DNA molecule, we have a RNA molecule, we have a protein, fats, oil. All these things are made up of a carbon and hydrogen and oxygen. So carbon are the backbone of all organic compound. सभी ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड का बैकबोन जो है वो कार्बन कंपाउंड है. कार्बन कंपाउंड इज द वेरी इसेंशियल कंपाउंड एंड प्लांट कैन बी सिंथेसिस by using carbon dioxide, water, and photosynthesis. Carbon compound are made by or the synthesis. Plants can synthesis organic compound. Plant are able to synthesis the organic compound. Plant having capacity to synthesis that carbon containing compound, particularly carbon. A plant can synthesis the carbohydrate, proteins, fats. All these things can synthesize by plant. Plant are able to synthesize it. So the carbon is a very important and essential element, as earlier I told you. So we have certain compounds, certain organic compound. It is a basic what we learned and what we understood in this methane. Methane is a very important element, very basic, which is made from carbon and hydrogen, four hydrogen and one carbon. So this carbon and hydrogen, carbon, four hydrogen, and to form a CH4 like a methane. Okay, so we have to more details about carbon and its compound. Look, another one is the, for example, look this, we have synthesis, introduction to a very first organic compound. First organic compound. Which one compounds which are discovered by very earlier. So the NH4 positive charge, it is the and C and O nitrogen, this negative, this is a carbon, C and O negative, and we have to reaction is to form H2N single bond C double bond O and H2. It is a chemical formula of urea. Urea is the first organic compound. It is the first organic molecule. It is the first organic molecule and which synthesis by Wöhlers, German chemist Wöhler. So his name is the cell is the Wöhler synthesis. The first Wöhler is capable to synthesis the first organic molecule, that is the urea. Urea is very important because we want to urea for fertilizer. We want to urea to make different chemicals. We want urea for different purpose, different chemicals, different things, and we have to different chemicals. We have to prepare the different chemicals and fertilizers and other things we have to prepare by using the urea. So urea is the very essential for us. Urea is the very essential element for us. Okay. So next, it is in a previous year, I think in 2017 or 18, there is a one question in SPI, which one organic compound is first discovered? Organic, not inorganic. The water is inorganic compound, but in SPI exam, a question asked for which one first organic compound, and it is given by in your textbook. In your NCERT textbook, it is given. The ammonia is the first molecule which is discovered by scientists, and ammonia are made from carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. The urea is also made from. Urea is the first molecule. Urea is the first organic molecule, and by using ammonia, you can synthesis the urea. Ammonia इस्तेमाल करके हम urea synthesis कर सकते. By using ammonia, you can synthesis the urea molecule, and the urea is the first organic molecule. Okay, so it is made from carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen and nitrogen. So it is the first organic molecule. Then carbon, where the carbon is obtained from. So look, certain carbons has carbon. Important element is the carbon. So this carbon having its atomic number is, so its atomic number. Carbon having atomic number. Atomic number, how you can define the atomic number? The total number of proton present in an atom is called atomic number. Carbon has atomic number is 6. This atomic mass number of carbon, atomic mass number of carbon, atomic mass number of carbon is 12 grams. So electronegativity of carbon having very specific electronegativity. It is a middle electronegative element. Electronegativity of carbon, electronegativity of carbon is the 2.5, exact 2.5 electronegativity. Then it has again metallic, it is a non-metallic character. metallic character. It is non-metal. Non-metal. It is a non-metals. And its valency, very important character, valency. Valency. Its valency of carbon. It is valency is 4. It has 4 valence. Its electronic valency share electronic configuration. Its valency share electronic configuration. Valency share electronic configuration is equal to 2 and 4. So, in more accurately, you can have 1s2, 2s2, and 2p2. Its electronic configuration. So, we have three, which is very most important properties of carbon and its compound. Carbon having atomic number is 6, atomic mass number is 12, its electronegativity is 2.5. It is a non-metallic character. It is a valency of carbon is 4. Valency electronic configuration is 2 is 2 and 1 has 2, 2 and 4. That is 1 has 2, 2 has 2 and 2p2. It is a very important for us. Then carbon, properties of carbon. Carbon present in extent of in earth crust, carbon can be present large amount of. Okay, so you can remember or you can memorize these properties of carbon. So then next one is the what is the next properties of carbon? Carbon having certain type of allotropes. Properties of carbon. Then first one is allotropes of carbon. Allotropes of carbon. So what is the definition of allotropes? Allotropes. What is the mean by the allotropes? So allotropes means same element of a compound. Like you can make a compound having compound made from same element, same elements, same element, but a element made from same a compound made from same element, but a different their atomic arrangement, but different their atomic arrangement. Atomic arrangement. Arrangement called allotropes. Called allotropes. Allotropes, I mean, the graphite and diamond are allotropes of each other. Graphite, for example, graphite and diamond. Graphite and diamonds are allotropes of each other. They are allotropes of each other. They have a different properties. The graphite having sp3 hybridization and diamond having sp hybridization. Then diamond having graphite sp2 and diamond sp3. Diamond having sp3 hybridization, sp2 and sp3. Graphite having good conductor of electric current. Good conductor of electric current. Electric current. And diamond having bad conductor of electric current. Bad conductor of electric current. Bad conductor of electric currents. So graphite having soft, it having soft, and it is the hardest material. It is the hardest material. One is soft and another is hardest material. So these things you have to must be understand what is mean by that hard and soft, hardest material, and how it's electrical. So same elements same same elements से बना है, दोनों भी ग्राफाइट भी और डायमंड भी, दोनों भी सेम एलिमेंट से बने हैं. और उनमें डिफरेंस, व्हाट इज द बिग डिफरेंस? दे हैव अ डिफरेंट स्ट्रक्चर. वन इज द सॉफ्ट, अनदर इज द हार्डेस्ट. One is the electrical conductor, another one is a bad conductor of electric current. One is the having soft in nature, another one is the hard in nature. So the allotropes are having, which is the made from same element but having different in their structure. Due to the different structure, they have a different property. अगर उनका स्ट्रक्चर अलग है तो प्रॉपर्टी भी अलग आएगी. So different structure having different property. So these things you have to understand, different thing, different property, and due to this different property, they have a behavior differently. So graphite color having black and diamond color having, it is a shiny color. Graphite are no reflective index, but diamond having a certain reflective index. So diamond are having very hard material, hardest material, and graphite having soft material. So due to their atomic arrangement, their atomic arrangement are different. So the graphite and diamond having different possesses different property. उनकी property क्या हो आ जाएगी, अलग अलग आएगी. Okay, so due to the different property, different different atomic arrangement, they have a different property. So another one is a C16 and different type of allotropes of carbon. So number of allotropes of carbon, but you have to, you understood or you remember what is basic difference between allotropes. So basic definition of allotropes is same element having different structure form. Structure uska alag hai. Elements are same hai. Elements are same. They have a different in their structure. So it is a allotropes. So then another one is you have to be coal, different types of coal, and how the coal is arranged. What is the coals are having different properties. So you have a look. The hydrocarbon are basic organic compound. Next one is the hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons. So the compounds are, what do you mean by hydrocarbons? A compound are made from compounds are made from carbon and hydrogen, called hydrocarbon. A compound which made from carbon and hydrogen are called hydrocarbon. So hydrocarbon having certain properties, and very important for us, hydrocarbon, carbon made from a compound made from carbon and hydrogen is called hydrocarbons. So these hydrocarbons, look here. So carbon made from hydrogen, so methane. What is the name of this compound is methane. This name of compound C2H6 is ethane. C3H8 is propane. Then C5C4H10 is butane. C5H12 is pentane. C6H14 is hexane. So it is some common name of hydrocarbon. It is some common name of hydrocarbon, which is very useful for us, and which is use you have to use for different purpose. So the name, look here, the name which is you have to belongs to. So it is this one. This one particularly, look the observe ethane, methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane. So ANE, NANE indicate or denote it is a saturated hydrocarbon.
CnH2n
Single, huh?
सर
क्या?
इसका फॉर्मूला CnH2n होता है ना?
हाँ, yes, yes, that is a common formula. Common, you told me common formula. मैं वहीं पे जा रहा हूँ. कॉमन नेम, क्योंकि देखो ANE अगर आ गया ANE तो वो सैचुरेटेड का हाइड्रोकार्बन हो गया. आपने कॉमन फॉर्मूला बोल दिया, वो भी लिखेंगे हम. पहले ये समझ लो, मीथेन, इथेन, अब ये ANE अगर आ गया तो वो सैचुरेटेड है, कंटेनिंग सिंगल बॉन्ड, कंटेनिंग सिंगल बॉन्ड. ओके, अगर ANE आ गया, ENE आ गया, ANE आ गया तो सिंगल बॉन्ड, ENE आ गया तो अब बताओ, टेल मी, अब बताओ.
डबल
चलो,
बॉन्ड.
डबल बॉन्ड.
यस, वेरी गुड. डबल बॉन्ड प्रेजेंट बॉन्ड. हाँ, अगर YNE आ गया एंडिंग में तो
ट्रिपल बॉन्ड.
ट्रिपल bond. So it is a one carbon, so methane. 2 carbon is ethane. 3 carbon is propane. 5 carbon is butane. 4 carbon butane. 5 carbon pentane. 6 carbon hexane. Up to hexane, okay. You should be up to hexane. You can remember this all the name: methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane. So 7 अगर होगा तो वो हेप्टेन आ जाएगा. So they are called, all these they are called saturated hydrocarbon. What is called saturated hydrocarbon? Because why? Because they have a no double and triple bond. उसमें अगर double and triple bond absent है, so we call saturated hydrocarbon. The compound containing carbon and hydrogen elements, so we called hydrocarbon. And the compound containing double and triple bond, so we called unsaturated hydrocarbon. And if the compound having no double and triple bond, we called saturated hydrocarbon. What we call saturated hydrocarbon. So we have a general formulas for that: alkene, alkane, alkyne. So all these three formulas we have to learn. Firstly, you have to understood what is the hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon is nothing but carbon and hydrogen containing compound. These compound are particularly, we learn saturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbon means absent of double bond or triple bond. अगर उनमें double and triple bond absent है, what we call saturated hydrocarbon. And if there is a double and triple bond present in the compound, called unsaturated hydrocarbon. Unsaturated. So they have a containing double and triple bond. So basically the naming of carbon compound, so we start from methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane and hexane. So like this. So you can remember all the name of this compound and the certain. I will give the general formula for saturated compound, unsaturated compound. So we generally called alkanes. What we call saturated compound, we call alkanes generally. So I will write in upper side, a saturated compound generally called saturated compound generally called alkane. Alkane means saturation, saturated. So generally, how the bonding are we have to see in a methane, ethane, propane. So we have a general formula. We have general formula for saturated hydrocarbon CnH2. So CnH2n plus 2. That is the general formula for alkane. General formula. General formula for alkane. And where? And so N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n. So CnH2 n plus 2. It is called general formula for alkane. So let's put the value for n is 2. 2 into 2 2s are 4, 5 and 6. So it is ethane. A and A, there is a no double bond. So it is called saturated hydrocarbons, ethane, A and A. No double bond, saturated hydrocarbon, ethane, saturated hydrocarbon, saturated hydrocarbon, ethane. Okay, so you can have a number of carbon and their compounds. So can you have you can prepare a lot of number of compounds. You can take the values of n and multiply it and obtain your ethane, methane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, nonane, decane, like this. So put the value of n and they find out your corresponding alkanes. So now it is a saturated compounds generally. No double and triple bond present in here. There is a saturated. No, you can have a no double and triple bond present. No double and triple bond are present, called saturated hydrocarbons. It is the general formula for saturated hydrocarbon. Now next one is unsaturated hydrocarbons. Are you understood those all these things? बताओ समझ में आ रहा है क्या?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
हाँ ओके, कोई डाउट है क्या आपको?
No, sir.
क्या
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ यस बोलो.
Sir, what does it mean by sp2 in graphite and sp3 in diamond?
There is a hybridization. Okay. So sp2 and वही हम जा रहे सैचुरेटेड. देखो अगर हम अनसैचुरेटेड आए अभी यही वही आएगा अनसैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन unsaturated hydrocarbons. So generally we have a C2 C this H and H double bond CH and H. So look here, what is why how much bond are from carbon carbon double bond called unsaturated carbon carbon double bond. It is alkene or it is called ethene alkene or ethene. So carbon, what is the atomic number of carbon is 6. This electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 and 2p2. So how many electrons present in its valence shell? 4 electrons. So one carbon, this 1 2 3 4. We have this carbon and another one is this carbon for plus. It has this carbon also 4 electron 1 2 3 4. These 2 carbons and here also 2 hydrogen. Again यहाँ पे क्या है 2 hydrogen plus 1 2 4 hydrogen, sorry 4 hydrogen, 4 hydrogen. So formation of ethane molecule, how it can be formed? So look here, this carbon 1, this carbon is 1 1 2 and this one again, this carbon is 1 2 and this one, this hydrogen and this hydrogen. I will make a different color for this hydrogen. तो दिस कार्बन ये इलेक्ट्रॉन का कार्बन है, और ये जो है ये हाइड्रोजन का कार्बन है, विच इज मेक, ये देखो यहाँ पे, और ये दूसरा हाइड्रोजन है, उसका इलेक्ट्रॉन, डिफरेंट हाइड्रोजन, उसका इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ पे ऐसा, और यहाँ पे जो है ये दूसरा हाइड्रोजन है, इसका इलेक्ट्रॉन, तीसरा हाइड्रोजन, इसका इलेक्ट्रॉन, देखो यहाँ, और कार्बन कार्बन, अब देखो कार्बन के पास कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन है, ये एक कार्बन के पास कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन है, दूसरे कार्बन के पास हाउ मेनी इलेक्ट्रॉन, दिस कार्बन हैविंग कंटेनिंग, सो काउंट, इस कार्बन के पास कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन है, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 और 8, इस कार्बन के पास कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन है, दिस कार्बन 2 कार्बन इज देयर, ये 2 कार्बन है, और ये अनदर कार्बन, there is a 2 carbon and connected, 1 carbon is connected to 2 hydrogen, this carbon is connected to 2 hydrogen. Now look here how a bonding are taking place. So each carbon having how many electron, 4 electron, each hydrogen having how many electron, 1 electron. Okay, so 4 hydrogen, so carbon carbon, so this carbon can form 4 double bond, one from one bond, these 2 bond, so carbon carbon get double bond, and 1 carbon with 1 bond with hydrogen and 1 bond with hydrogen, this carbon 1 bond with hydrogen, 1 bond with hydrogen, and this carbon having double bond with this carbon, so carbon carbon get double bond are formed. And how you indicate this, you can indicate like this HC, ये हम ऐसा इंडिकेट करेंगे, H और ये C और ये H और ये डबल बॉन्ड और ये H and this one H, isn't it? So carbon carbon double bond is there, it is called unsaturated. So how it can be formed, और कैसा है ये, मैं फिर से आपको एक बार I give you the idea how this bond are formed. कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड कैसे आया, अल्कीन कैसे फॉर्म हुआ, 2 बॉन्ड कहां से आए, यहाँ पे देखो, दिस कार्बन हैविंग 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन, this carbon having 4 electron, so how many electron required to complete its octet, 4 electron, each carbon requires 4 electron to complete its octet, so each carbon, I repeat again the sentence, each carbon requires 4 electron to complete its octet, so it has 4 electron, so this carbon can share 2 electron with this carbon, 2 इसके और 2 इसके, कितने टोटल इलेक्ट्रॉन हो गए, 4, लुक हियर, 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन इस कार्बन के, which is zero type, and cross electron from this carbon and dot electron from this carbon, so this it can share 4 electron, 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन इसके और 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन इसके, कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन की शेयरिंग हो जाएगी, 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन। अब देखो ये कार्बन यहाँ पे इसके 1 2 3 4, 2 तो इसके साथ शेयर कर दी, ये कार्बन ने 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन इस कार्बन के साथ शेयर करे और 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन, एक इलेक्ट्रॉन इस हाइड्रोजन के साथ शेयर किया और एक इलेक्ट्रॉन इस हाइड्रोजन के साथ शेयर किया। देन नेक्स्ट वन इज दिस, ये कार्बन, इस कार्बन के बारे में आप सोचो, ये कार्बन ने ये 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन इस कार्बन के साथ शेयर किए और 2 जो इलेक्ट्रॉन बचे वो एक इलेक्ट्रॉन इस हाइड्रोजन के साथ शेयर किया और एक इलेक्ट्रॉन इस हाइड्रोजन के साथ शेयर किया। अब देखो टोटल कितने, कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड, 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन डबल बॉन्ड, एक बॉन्ड 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन, एक बॉन्ड किस 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन से बनेगा, यहाँ पे 4 बॉन्ड है, यहाँ पे 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन है तो 2 बॉन्ड बन जाएंगे, मतलब ये इसका डुप्लेट कंप्लीट हो गया। ये देखो इस कार्बन के पास 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन है, ये देखो एक इसके पास शेयर किए वाले 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 और 8 हो गए, इस कार्बन के पास 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन, यस इट्स ऑक्टेट इज कंप्लीट। देन दिस कार्बन के पास कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन है, इसके पास भी 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन है, 1 2 3 4 और 5 6 7 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन इसके हो गए, इसका भी ऑक्टेट आर कंप्लीट, मतलब दोनों भी कार्बन का ऑक्टेट गेट कंप्लीटेड, बोथ द कार्बन गेट हैविंग इट्स कंप्लीट ऑक्टेट, दोनों भी कार्बन के ऑक्टेट क्या है, कंप्लीट है, और टू बोथ द कार्बन हैविंग ऑक्टेट्स आर कंप्लीट। Okay, so any doubt from this structure? Yes, बताओ कोई डाउट है क्या इस स्ट्रक्चर में?
No, sir. No, sir.
If you have any doubt, please tell me. I will clear it. Now अब देखो, अल्केन आ गया, अब अल्काइन, अल्कीन, ट्रिपल बॉन्ड वाला. So carbon containing triple bond. Carbon containing triple bond. So general formula Cn H2n minus 2. That is general formula for alkyne. It is general formula. So it is C2H2. 2 2's are 4, 4 minus 2. Isn't it? Alkyne. So H2. It is triple bond. How triple bond are formed? So alkene, ethylene. It is the name of this compound is ethylene. Ethylene. Y-N-E. Ethylene. Okay. So how it can be formed? Look here. I will explain how it can be formed. So look this carbon atom. So this carbon containing having its atomic number is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2. So this carbon, how many carbon in C2H2? 2 carbons. So one carbon having how many electron? One carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then second carbon how many electron? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. And another one is next hydrogen. So how many electron from hydrogen? So hydrogen having two hydrogen having 1 electron. So there is two carbon and 2 hydrogen. So formation of bond. So how bond are formed? Look here. Here the carbon is there. This carbon and this carbon. Okay. So one carbon from ये carbon मैंने वैसे ही. So this carbon having 1, 2 and 3. This carbon having 1, 2 and 3. And one here, one here. So hydrogen, one electron from hydrogen, and this 1 electron from. Look here, count the electron present in carbon. Count the electron present in carbon. Count the electron present in hydrogen. देखो, from this carbon is उसके खुद के कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन है? 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन है. 1, 2, 3 and 4. ओके. ये कार्बन है, उसके खुद के कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन है? 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन है. कितने? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन. ये भी ये कार्बन का इलेक्ट्रॉन है, ये क्रॉस वाला. So it has 4 electron. Okay. So this carbon having its octet are completed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 octet are completed. Look towards this white carbon, this carbon, and count its electron. This carbon and count its electron. White carbon and count its electron. This carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. So all the carbon having its rule of 8, octet rule are complete. Its octet rule are completed. So this carbon and this carbon having called unsaturated hydrocarbon. So it looks like a C triple bond, C hydrogen and this hydrogen. Carbon triple bond carbon, it is a unsaturated carbon are formed, unsaturated compounds. So a number of compound are formed, different types of compound are formed having double bond, triple bond with saturated and unsaturated compounds. So different types of compounds we have to be formed. So we have a number of compounds, number of carbon and carbon containing compounds. So we have a carbon. Let's start with example is another example is carbon dioxide. Next example is carbon dioxide. How carbon dioxide forms? CO2, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide are formed. So look, carbon. How many carbon? One carbon. So 1, 2, 3, 4. One carbon and how many oxygen? Two oxygen. Each oxygen having how many electron? So oxygen having oxygen 8, 1 has 2, 2 has 2, 2p how much? 4, 5 and 6. So 6 electron in its valence shell. Oxygen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 electron in its valence shell. So how it can be combined? It will be combined like this. So it is a central atom, that is a carbon atom. So carbon having how many electron? 2 electron here and 2 electrons here. So each oxygen how many electron? Each oxygen having this 2 electron and 2 electron. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So again, how many electron in next oxygen? So oxygen's electron 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So count electron present in carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So count the electron present in carbon. Oxygen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So count the electron present in this oxygen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So again 8 electron. So you can like write this C double bond O, C double bond O. So this carbon, this carbon C double bond O, double bond O. So this 2 electron from this bond, this 2 electron from this bond, and this 2 electron from this bond, and this 2 electron from this bond to form carbon dioxide. Carbon combined with oxygen to form a carbon dioxide molecule. It is a very important molecule for you. Carbon dioxide useful for photosynthesis and different reaction. So carbon dioxide is a very useful compound for synthesis of organic compound, because plant can use the carbon dioxide and synthesis the organic molecules. Okay, any doubt you can ask me. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Chart having 10 question. Oh my god, diamond is not conduct the electricity. New reply. Decay, nonane, octane, heptane. Okay. Color. Diamond, which is colorless. Fluorines is also allotropes. Yes, very good. What is the electronegativity? Yes, electronegativity is the electron attracting powers towards itself. Yes, electronegativity is nothing but electron attracting power. So we have 5 minutes. So regarding electronegativity means electron attracting power towards itself, called electronegativity. Yes. Let me ask the question. Any doubt you can ask me. So electronegativity, somebody ask me electronegativity. I will justify the electronegativity. Electron attracting towards itself, called electronegativity. Called electronegativity. electronegativity. Called electronegativity. Yes, anybody, please ask me in chat box, is why diamond do not conduct electricity? Because it has no free electron in its valency. Very good question. Your question is very good. Why not the diamond conduct the electric current? Because it has no free electron present in its valence shell. लेकिन ग्राफाइट हैविंग पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन लेयर स्ट्रक्चर है, उसमें लेयर में से इलेक्ट्रॉन वन लेयर में से दूसरे लेयर में जंप करता है, इसलिए वो इलेक्ट्रॉन इट कैन बी गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट, बट डायमंड इज नॉट. देयर इज नो फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रेजेंट इन अ डायमंड. That's why. Yes, anybody? Yes, I think one comment is there. Sir, non-metal, it is non-metal. Yes, it is a non-metal. Yes, but main causes, ठीक है नॉन मेटल है तो वो इलेक्ट्रोकंडक्टिव नहीं करेगा, लेकिन मेन रीजन क्या है? मेन रीजन ये है कि उसके कंडक्शन बैंड में इलेक्ट्रॉन ही नहीं है प्रेजेंट. सो दैट इज इट इज अ बैड कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. कंडक्शन बैंड में अगर इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रेजेंट नहीं है तो दैट इज द बैड कंडक्टर. और ऑल द नॉन मेटल हैविंग नो कंडक्शन बैंड, इलेक्ट्रॉन सभी नॉन मेटल के कंडक्शन बैंड में इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रेजेंट नहीं, इसलिए वो बैड कंडक्टर है. Sir, what is the hybridization? Okay, I will give the complete concept of hybridization. मैं आपको कल पूरा जस्टिफाई करूंगा complete what is the hybridization. Because of I have joined today, so what is sp2 and sp? Okay, started now chapter carbon is right, sir. Today we are started now new chapter. That yes, we are not like diamond have no free electron, then it is a good conductor of heat. So it is a they have a certain type of bonding. The bonding present is a tetrahedral structure. Exact diamond having tetrahedral structure. So we will discuss the terms hybridization. Then I will clear you how hybridization in a diamond and how hybridization, which one type of hybridization present in graphite. So graphite are good conductor of heat and electric current, but diamond is not. डायमंड आर हीट की कंडक्ट करेगा, लेकिन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कंडक्शन करंट इज नॉट कंडक्ट बाय डायमंड. सो डायमंड हैविंग a specific property because of its structure, because structure is
इंट्रामोलिकुलर स्ट्रक्चर.
हाँ,
इंट्रामोलिकुलर स्ट्रक्चर.
हाँ, उसका इंट्रामोलिकुलर टेट्राहेड्रल स्ट्रक्चर इज रिस्पांसिबल फॉर बैड कंडक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. टेट्राहेड्रल स्ट्रक्चर है उसका एग्जैक्टली. यस, एनी मोर डाउट?
इसका कुछ नहीं.
So, okay, so any doubt, please ask me. We have 5 minutes. Please tell me, please, if you have any doubt. If you have any doubt.
No, sir.
सर
Yes.
इस पे क्वेश्चन कैसे आएंगे?
हाँ, that's a very important question. बहुत अच्छा सवाल पूछा आप. वो अगर आप if you ask the what is the mean by how alkene are different from alkane? By the hybridization, by the saturation, by the unsaturation. So like this. वो आपको एग्जाम में हम टेस्ट में एक्सप्लेन करेंगे. So another question, very interesting question is asked. Why carbon shows tetravalency? Why carbon shows tetravalency? Because of option दिए थे, because of its high electronegativity, because of its low electronegativity, because of its middle electronegative, and none of these. So you have to answer the electronegativity of carbon is middle. So carbon having middle electronegative elements, that's why it shows tetravalency. And another one is why carbon called backbone of organic compound. Why carbon called
Because
backbone
it forms
of carbon?
infinite number of compounds.
Yes, very good. Because it's the option is there. What is the option? Yes, you have a right correct answer. But what is the option? Option is there because of they have a tetravalency, because carbon having middle electronegativity, because of carbon having its 4 valence electron, and तब लास्ट इज ऑल ऑफ दिस. सो ऑल ऑफ दिस लिख सकते हैं ना. बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स मेटल इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव, ये भी थोड़ा सही है. बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स 4 अनपेड इलेक्ट्रॉन, ये भी सही है. बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स लार्ज नंबर ऑफ कंबाइनिंग प्रॉपर्टी, ये भी सही है.
टेट्रावैलेंसी.
हाँ, टेट्रावैलेंस ये भी सही है. और फिर ऑल ऑफ दिस दे दिया, तो ऑल ऑफ दिस करना पड़ेगा. सो डिपेंड्स ऑन द व्हाट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू आस्क. सो आपको डिसाइड करना पड़ेगा कि कैसा क्वेश्चन कैसा है, उसके हिसाब से आपको आंसर यू कैन आंसरिंग अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन. No diamond is not metal and it's allotrope of carbon. No diamond is not metals. Please you tell me electronic configuration one is like that. Yes, yes. 1s2, 2s2. I will explain it again and again. You can see my recorded lecture, previous lecture, how to draw the electronic configuration. Next one is, sir, reply, because sir diamond is metalloid. No, diamond is not metalloid, it's a non-metal. Tell me please, diamond is no free electron, then how it's good conductor? No free electron. मैंने कब कहा गुड कंडक्टर है? ग्राफाइट इज अ गुड कंडक्टर, डायमंड इज नॉट गुड कंडक्टर. सर डायमंड इज मेटलॉइड, मेटलॉइड नहीं है, नॉन मेटल है, नॉन मेटल. कार्बन इज नॉन मेटल, कार्बन से डायमंड बना है. यस, वेदांत, वेदांत. Okay, any doubt? Please tell me if you have any doubt.
सर आप बहुत डीप में पढ़ा रहे हो.
डीप में है ना?
हाँ सर.
हाँ, तो वो इतना डीप में नहीं है. वो क्या है ना कि हमें थोड़ा बैलेंस करना पड़ेगा. बैलेंस कैसे करना पड़ेगा कि ये तो 10th का सिलेबस भी नहीं और 11th का भी नहीं, आपको बीच में का है वो. और क्वेश्चन my teaching, my concept clearing is according to with exam. एग्जाम के अकॉर्डिंग है सब चल रहा है. What asked in exam and what you have to be prepare for exam. How to prepare for exam? It is not depends on you. ये आपके ऊपर नहीं डिपेंड करेगा कि आप क्या करोगे. ये हमारे ऊपर डिपेंड है कि आपको क्या पूछने वाले हैं और उस अकॉर्डिंग टू सिलेबस given by SPI. So you have to prepare for exam, that particular exam. So we should teach the subject according to syllabus. No doubt, yes, it is true. It is a little bit difficult. A little bit you have to be awareness how to draw the electronic configuration, how the bonding is occur, the 9th syllabus, 10th syllabus, and combining the 9th and 10th syllabus, and you have a new question paper. So you have to confuse that. Some concept from 9th, some concept from 10th. So your mind is gambling. So some question, some concept from 9th and some concept from 10th, and combining these two class, and you explain my lecture is on the 9th and 10th base. So 30% is 8 and 9 syllabus, and 70% is 10th syllabus. So by combining all these things, you able to solve the question. वैसा तो हमें करना ही पड़ेगा, क्योंकि अगर आपको क्वेश्चन कैसा टाइप, क्वेश्चन का टाइप और व्हाट यू हैव टू गिवन टू आंसर, you have to be just a more logical, more conceptual, and you have to be more conceptual, then you have to solve the question. Oh, yeah, 8 message is there. 8 message. Sir, diamond metalloid because of bad conductor, but it is the hardest substance in nature. Yes, because of sir, diamond is metalloid because of bad conductor. Metalloids, diamond is metalloid nahi, non-metal hai. Again, I tell you, diamond is non-metal. Okay, I will log any doubt, please tell me.
No,
कोई
sir.
doubt है तो बताओ मुझे.
No.
Yes. No doubt. Can I log out?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.